Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this tutorial, we will see how we can define some function in the form of a requirement document, and then how we can describe different features or different functionalities that are there, which is possible to describe in a requirement document. So as you can see, this is the requirement document that we have, and in this requirement document we have defined different functionalities related to the feature that we have seen previously. So first is when the feature is on, then it should be activated, and if the feature is switched off, then it should be deactivated. And if there is a fault in the system or the sensor, the feature should be also deactivated, because at that scenario we do not want it to run. And in this case we also need to, like, if the brake pedal is not responding, like there is a fault in the vehicle itself, then in that case it will enter into the safe mode. If the acceleration pedal is not working, then the vehicle should enter into the safe mode. If there is any failure in the gear system, like we already have discussed, there is some gear system in a vehicle. So if it is also not working, then in that case the vehicle should enter into a mode, and which will not allow the vehicle to run beyond 5 kilometers per hour. When the feature is on, it should maintain a constant distance. So whenever the feature is able to turn on, then it should maintain a constant distance. The front vehicle should be always greater than the braking distance. Like if we have the front vehicle is less than the braking distance, then whenever we try to brake, anyhow we will hit the front vehicle. So in such a case, then we need to have a distance that should be maintained beyond the braking distance. If the front distance given by the driver is less than the braking distance, then the braking distance should be maintained with the front vehicle. So suppose if I give a distance of 2 meter and the braking distance is 1 meter, then in that case 1 meter will be maintained. The last and the least distance that should be maintained with the back vehicle should be greater than 1 meter. So in this particular implementation, we are considering the vehicle distance. It could be either a front distance or a back distance, but here we are considering only one distance, and then we are going to make the model. So this is all about the features that we will be implementing in the model. We will be linking these requirements also into the Simulink model, and we will see what are the different features that we can implement and link the requirement to, and that's how we will be developing the model. In case you are liking the channel, please consider subscribing for the latest updated videos that is coming up in our channel. In case you have any comment or any suggestion, please share it in the comment box so that we can have a look and improve your experience of learning MATLAB in this channel, so that we can help you to build the knowledge in MATLAB. Have a good day and happy learning MATLAB.